Chapter 12 Amazing Animals. Before we read, the world is full of amazing animals, birds, and other creatures. Some of them live on land, some can fly, some crawls, while some others live in the vast expanse of the sea. Let's read about some such living creatures. All of you must be fond of animals. You see them on television. You read about them in storybooks. Keep many of them as pets. And some of you even go to the zoo to see these animals. Today, let us learn about some interesting animals. They have special characteristics which make them different from other living creatures. A camel is one such animal. It has a hump on its back. Some camels have only one hump. They are called dromedary camels. The camels we see around us are of this type. Some other camels have two humps. They are called Bactrian camels. They are endangered species. Do you know why they possess a hump on their backs? Well, a camel's hump has fatty tissues that help in keeping the body cooler. Before commencing its journey across the desert, the camel eats up a large quantity of food. That food is stored in its hump in the form of fat. It also drinks a lot of water. This water is stored in fleshy bags called sacs inside the stomach. During the long journey, the camel uses up this food and water. Camels are found mostly in deserts. A desert is a very dry land covered with sand. It does not rain there and no rivers flow. There are no plants and no water on miles together. However, at some places, a small puddle of water is found. It is called an oasis. There are green trees around an oasis. People use camels for traveling across the deserts. Camels are the only animals that can walk upon the hot sand of the deserts. It can also remain without food and water for many days. The fur or coat on a camel can reflect the sun and also insulate the body from the heat radiated from the desert environment. Because of all these body features, they are truly called the ship of the desert. An elephant also has a peculiar part on its body. That is its trunk. Many of you might be thinking that an elephant drinks water through its trunk. But the fact is that an elephant cannot drink water through its trunk. Actually, the trunk is its long nose. This trunk is very useful for the elephant. Besides smelling, its trunk acts as a long arm. It helps to pluck leaves, break branches, and take them to its mouth. The trunk also helps the elephant in swimming. The elephant even uses its trunk as weapon of defense during fighting. You must have seen webs on the ceilings of your house. These webs are made by an insect called spider. Why do spiders make webs? Most of us think that these webs are the houses of spiders. But it is wrong. Actually, spiders make webs to catch their prey. How do they make their webs? There are a few glands in the belly of the spider. The glands give out a sticky liquid. This liquid, when dried, is changed into fine thread. The spider makes a net-like web with these threads and waits in a corner. As soon as the insect gets trapped in the web, the spider eats it up. Glossary. Fond of, interested in, characteristics, features, endangered, scarce, in danger of extinction, defense, protection, commencing, starting, sacs, pouches, puddle, pool, insulate, protect, radiated, emitted, peculiar, strange. Belly, stomach, abdomen. Sticky, gluey, trapped, caught.